Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is oxidation and reduction reactions for class 10th. Oxidation and reduction reactions. What is oxidation and what is reduction? First, the addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. The removal of hydrogen from a substance is also called oxidation. जब ऑक्सीजन ऐड होगा किसी सबस्टेंस को, उसको भी हम कहते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन, या जब किसी सबस्टेंस से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो जाएगा उसको भी हम कहेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन. रिडक्शन क्या है? The addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction, or the removal of oxygen from a substance is also called reduction. इसमें addition of hydrogen होता है, that is reduction, या removal of oxygen. So the oxidation and reduction reactions, they occur together, and the process of reduction is opposite of oxidation. Now the oxidizing agents, what are oxidizing agents and what are the reducing agents? Oxidizing agents, the substance which gives oxygen for oxidation is called an oxidizing agent. जो ऑक्सीजन देगा ऑक्सीडेशन के लिए उसको हम कहते हैं oxidizing agent. Or the substance which removes hydrogen is also called an oxidizing agent. Then a reducing agent, the substance which gives hydrogen for reduction is called a reducing agent, or the substance which removes oxygen is also called a reducing agent. The oxidation and reduction reactions, they are also called redox reactions. Redox, in the name redox, the term RED stands for reduction and OX stands for oxidation. Now let us take some examples of oxidation and reduction reactions. First one is when copper oxide is heated with hydrogen, then copper metal and water are formed. So in this reaction, copper oxide CuO is changing into copper Cu. That is, oxygen is being removed from copper oxide. यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो जाएगा कॉपर ऑक्साइड में, तो ये चेंज होगा इनटू कॉपर. तो डेफिनेशन जो हमारी इसको अगर हम बाय डेफिनेशन लेंगे, रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम ए सबस्टेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन. So we can say that copper oxide is being reduced to copper. So copper oxide is being reduced to copper. Here oxygen is removed. Hydrogen is changing into water. So oxygen is being added to hydrogen. Or this is called oxidation. That is addition of oxygen. So oxygen is added to hydrogen. So it is oxidation. So hydrogen is being oxidized to water. So in this reaction, substance oxidized H2, substance reduced is CuO. Oxidizing agent is CuO and reducing agent is H2. Now another example is when hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine, then sulfur and hydrogen chloride are formed. H2S plus Cl2, it gives S plus twice HCl. Hydrogen sulfide plus chlorine gives sulfur plus hydrogen chloride. So in this reaction, H2S is changing into S. So that is, hydrogen is being removed from hydrogen sulfide. The removal of hydrogen from a compound is called oxidation. So we can say that hydrogen sulfide is being oxidized to sulfur. So in this reaction, chlorine is changing into HCl. That is, hydrogen is being added to chlorine. the addition of hydrogen to a substance is called a reduction. So we can say that chlorine is being reduced to hydrogen chloride. So in this reaction, substance oxidized is H2S, substance reduced is Cl2, oxidizing agent is Cl2 and reducing agent is H2S. So these are the two examples of oxidation and reduction reactions. So this is about the oxidation and reduction.